Okay, this is me and Sadie. Pretty much out in paradise. We found like the best little water hole. Look at her. And look at that. And we're just gonna spend our days here from now on. You can't reach me because we found a secret spot. If Sadie gets to play ball all day in the water. We've been looking for a place like this. Oh, wait, you dropped it. Sadie, get it. Go get it. Bring it to me. Here, hold on. She brings it right back. And then she waits. It's like her 50th swim across. But now she's found a way back that's not swimming. So she must be getting a little tired. I can see Sadie tired. It takes a lot to get Sadie tired. Sadie, sit. Oh, would you like the ball? Look at how cute you are. Okay, careful. Good girl. Come on back that way. Look at that. She's, oh, it's like paradise. Good girl, Sadie.